Durga Puja or Durgolsa is a Bengal's most cherished festival, symbolizing the victory of goddess Durga over Mahishasura, representing the triumph of good over evil. Recognized by UNESCO as cultural heritage, Durgolsa in Kolkata holds immense cultural significance. While part of the Navaratri festival, observed by Hindus worldwide, Bengalis celebrated uniquely, welcoming Ma Durga and her divine children, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kartikeya and Ganesha, as they return home from Kailash. Let's delve into this incredible cultural celebration with our next performance. Let's have a glimpse of this incredible Bengali tradition from Fida dance team, choreographed by Bulaki Datta.
Performers are Bulaki Datta, Samarpita Devnath, Yogida Sharma, Shreda Singh, Vidya Priya Madan, Rashmi Chauhan, and Garima Gupta.
Let the energy flow.
Enjoy.
Today, in this glorious event of Parampara, or the tradition, we would like to present the biggest festival of West Bengal, Durga Puja. The celebration kicks off with the tune of Agamani to welcome Ma Durga. During the actual rituals of Durga Puja, one of the most decorated and distinguished events is the Dhunuchi dance. On the final day of festival, that is Vijaya Dashami, before the Visarjan, women participate in Devi Varan, the auspicious touch of vermilion or sindoor and a warm hug to each other brings ecstasy and happiness. Let us join together in this celebration to live these moments through music and dance. We shall try our best to capture the various flavors of 5 days long festival within our 7 minutes of performance.
विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्र नेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
বিসর্জনের বিজয়ার সুর কৈলাসে ফিরে চলে দুর্গা কাকু বিষাদের বরণ ডালায় পান পাতা সিঁদুর সাজা দুর্বা সুতার ধানে প্রদীপের শিখার আভা আইরে আইরে সবাই মেতে উঠে সিঁদুর খেলায়
আসছে বছর আসবে সবার ঘরে বিদায় জানাই মাগো এই কামনা করে আসছে বছর আসবে সবার ঘরে বিদায় জানাই মাগো এই কামনা করে